This is the best reggae you ever hear, yeah, man. Na na na. Na na na. Na 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 na. Me feel a cool breeze blow, carry peace below. Me close me eyes and pray. Jah guide me where every breath a gift again. Wash away the pain. Me see the people run for fame, forget Jah name. Me move slow, me stay wise, under Jah skies. Healing wine through town, calm the frown. Spirit rise and soul repair, love everywhere. Me chant down the fear, bring Jah near. Them build walls but Jah tear down, crown to crown. Every whisper bring hope new to me and you. Healing wine so pure, make me sure. Present healing wines, blow through the nation, bring Jah vibration. Healing wines, cleanse the soul, make the broken whole. Me see the mother pray for son, battle done. Me hear the elder sing again, free from pain. Every sound a healing grace, from Jah place. One carry love so deep, never sleep. Me walk through the market lane, hear refrain. People smile through struggle long, sing Jah song. Healing wine cool every fight, turn wrong to right. Love move like wave at sea, set we free. Me feel the spirit dance, give life a chance. When breeze pass me face, me feel Jah grace. No storm too great fi win, when love within. Healing wine, blow through the nation, bring Jah vibration. Healing wine, cleanse the soul, make the broken whole. Healing wine, soothe the cry, lift we high. Blow strong, blow kind, free the mind. Na 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 na. Oh yeah. Oh na 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 na. So when I grow cold again, me feel the wind explain. Jah live in every breeze, bring we peace. I ganja and Zion reggae, your man. Whoa, whoa. Me wake in the valley of Tess, just spirit beating on me chest. Me walk through the flame and storm, still me soul stay warm. No fear, no chain, no lie, just truth me amplify. Them try fi twist the word, but me still spread Jah word. Me roar like lion strong, righteous in every song. Them can't trap the free, Jah dwell in me. Every chant me send, truth nah bend. Me sight the wicked plot, but Jah forget them not. Them build throne from greed, but me plant love seed. Truth sharp like lightning flash. flash, cut through the trash. Lion heart never tame, stand in Jah name. Yeah. Lion of truth, roar through the land. Justice rise by Jah hand. Lion of truth, no retreat. Love conquer every beat. Me no fight with gun or blade, me fight with word me laid. Every lyric pure and deep. Wake the sheep from Zion, come the call. Lift up all, me chant until me voice grow hoarse, but me stay upon course. The youth them lost in vanity, me bring clarity. Them fed by social chain, me wash them brain. Truth stronger than the gold, forever bold. Me chant till dawn again, free from pain. Lion roar through Babylon gate. Them can't relate when truth step in at the place. All false erase. Jah fire clean and bright, turn wrong to right. Lion of truth, roar through the land. Justice rise by Jah hand. Lion of truth, no retreat. Love conquer every beat. Yeah, lion of truth, stand tall, be free. Rooted deep like the tree. Lion of truth, never fall. Answer Jah call. So when the system try deceive, me still believe. Lion heart inside we all. Answer the call.
No ganja with Zion, yeah, man. No ganja with Zion, yeah, man. Listen the drum, the ancient beat. Heart of Jah can't skip a beat. Me feel it deep within me chest. Jah love manifest. Me close my eyes, me hear the tone. Me never alone. Me see the people torn apart, but love still start. Me sing for the broken one, cause Jah love shine like sun. The system cold and cruel, but my heart still rule. Rasta live for unity through community. Me walk with the humble man, help when me can. Me share the last bread me own. Me never alone. Every smile me give today, chase pain away. The rhythm call me name, Jah flame. One heartbeat, one soul sound. Love keep we bound. No color, no race divide. Jah love inside. One heartbeat, strong and pure. Love endure. Together we rise and sing. Peace within everything. Me see the wicked plot and plan, but just still stand. Me no hate, me no fight. Me hold the light, me teach the youth for care. Fi always share, Rasta no sleep. Me watch, love me match. Me chant under the moon bright. Feel the light, me hear me ancestors on. Better days for come, me lift my voice for truth. Me guide the youth, every heartbeat same. In Jah name, we one family, one sound. Jah love performance, no difference here. All equal clear. One heartbeat, one soul sound. Love keep we bound. No color, no race divide. Jah love inside. One heartbeat, strong and pure. Love endure. Together we rise and sing. Peace peace within everything. So when the silence falls, me still hear it call. One heartbeat, true. Jah live in me and you. Rise up, me people, this is for my brothers and sisters, yeah, man. Flow, flow, Mystic River flow, carry where we need to go. Me drop me pen up on the stream, me chase me dream, Jah Garden pull me home. No need for roam. Me stand by the water edge, whisper my pledge, guide me Jah through storm and rain. Wash me pain, the river sing a sacred song. Me sing along, my soul feel new again, free from chain. Me travel downstream slow, learning as me go. Each ripple teach me peace, all worry cease. The water cool me head, me spirit fed. Jah on inna the flow, now me know a mystic river roll. Cleanse me soul, carry me far, carry me free to Zion sea. Mystic river deep, secrets you keep, flow eternal strong. Where me belong, where me belong, where me belong, where me belong. Me see reflection of the sky, me spirit eye, every wave a sign from Jah. Blessed me are, me feel the healing star deep in my heart. The river whispers still, follow my will. Me bathe in the holy tide, me heart open wide. Me release what no belong, sing me song. Mystic river calm and wide, Jah inside, carry me truth away to brighter day. Me float and me pray, Jah guide me way. Mystic river speed, strength for the weak. Yeah, mystic river roll, cleanse my soul, carry me far, carry me free to Zion sea. Mystic river deep, secrets you keep, flow eternal strong. Where me belong, where me belong. So when my life turns slow, me let the current flow. Mystic river never end, forever my friend. Na 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 na. Oh, boom, oh, bro. Na 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 na. Me rise with the morning sun, work fi be done. Me no soldier with gun, me rebel with drum. Peace me banner, love me creed, freedom me seed. Them say me too soft fi fight, but me shine light, me conquer hate with grace. Face to face, them build empire fi greed.
Me so good deed, me chant revolution pure. Me stand secure, me no need no weapon loud. Me move proud, every lyric a bullet clean. Cut through mean, them can't jail me tone. Me stand alone, peace warrior me be. Spirit free, Jah high peace. Stand up strong, right the wrong. Jah high peace. Chant your name, no shame. Oh, oh. Jah high peace. Stand up strong, right the wrong. Jah high peace. Chant your name, no shame. Oh, me walk where hate reside. Love me guide, them mock me style and wear. Me still pray, each step me taking time. Truth me rhyme, peace no weakness. It's just sweetness, me fight Babylon with smile. All the while, me see hope in every face. Love embrace, no more blood fi spill. Jah will, rebel of peace me call. Fi one and all, me hear the trumpet blow. Spirit grow, peace no silence. It's defiance, me lift me voice pon the hill. Still, sharp like peace. Stand up strong, right the wrong. Sharp like peace. Chant your name, no shame. Oh, sharp like peace. Worldwide call, unite we all. Sharp like peace. Heart pure, love endure. Oh, me no war, me no hate. Me change the fate. Rebel with peace till the end. One love, me friend. One love. Bribe me.
Jah bless the people, your man.
Oh, run. High above the midnight sky, star of justice never die. Every glimmer, bold and true, star reveal what man must do. Babylon shadows try to hide, star of justice still will guide. Shining bright with holy flame, star exalt the righteous name. Pilgrim look and find the way, star of justice light the day. Every road so dark before, star of mercy open door. No oppression cloud the view, star of truth forever new. Every gleam of prophecy, star of justice set we free. Ooh. Elder point to heaven's eye, star of justice fill the sky. Children learn from light above, star remind them Jah is love. Even stranger lost and blind, star of mercy help them find. Every sparkle pure and bright, star of peace guide through the night. Warrior lead the weapon down, star of justice take the crown. Every battle soon will cease, star of mercy shine in peace. Babylon fortress fade away, star of truth reveal the day. Every nation come to see, star of justice victory. Whoa, hey. Teachers speak with wisdom clear, star of justice draw us near. Every lesson strong and right, star of Zion give the sight. No more hatred, no more pain, star of peace forever reign. Every glow a holy sign, star of justice still divine. Morning comes of Justice, sing the song. Generations lift them hand, Star of Truth across the land. Everlasting, never fall, Star of Mercy, guide us all. Sacred fire, bold and free, Star of Justice, victory. Eternal beacon, shining bright, Star of Justice, rule the night. Never fading, never gone, Star of Zion, still live on. Glorious flame, forever pure, Star of Truth will still endure. Everlasting, bold and free, Star of Justice, shine for me. Shine, shine, bright and clear, Star of Justice, draw us near. Rise, rise, holy flame, Star of Truth, exalt your name. Star of Justice, bold and bright, guide the people through the night. Never fading, never fall, Star of Mercy, shine for all. Forever glowing, strong and free, Star of Justice, victory. Sacred fire, pure and true, Star of Zion, light for you.
Zion reggae, yeah, man. Me dip on Jah Highway, winding on me face, traveling light through this human race. Every mile teach me new truth fi learn. Inna the fire, me spirit burn. Me hear the river low. Jah guide me where fi go. Me start from the ghetto lane, carry the joy, carry the pain. Me no rich but me soul feel tall. Jah blessings overall, them try fi pull me off the road. Me still carry Jah load. Each breath me take a chance. Faith abundant, me see the sign say love ahead. So me drop me dread pan bed. No vanity pan this ride. Just truth inside me, try through storm, me try through flame. Still call Jah name. Every curve me bend with care, cause Jah dey everywhere. On Jah Highway me trod, guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. On Jah Highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. Me pass by the one still lost, them pay the cost. Me stop and share a song, help them strong. The journey long but me no tire. Jah give the fire, every mile me bless. No stress, me look on the horizon red. Hope ahead, me feel Jah breeze embrace. Peaceful place, me drive through life with grace. No ace, me leave behind the fear. Me Jah near, me no speed, me no slow. Me move out just if you go. Every road lead home one day to Zion way. On Jah Highway me trod, guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. On Jah Highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. Zion reggae, yeah, man. At Zion's gate, the righteous stand. Just stretch forth his holy hand. It open wide, it open true. Zion's gate for me and you. No Babylon can bar the way. Zion's gate forever open, never close. Zion's gates, Jah love disclose. It shine with gold, it shine with flame. Zion's gates, exalt Jah name. Eternal pathway, bright and free. Zion's gates, for you and me. Me walk the road, me hear the call. Zion's gates, for one and all. No man denied, no chain can bind. Zion's gates, for all mankind. Forever holy, never still. Zion's gates, Jah holy will. From mountain high to valley low. Zion's gates, the path we know. It guide the nations, guide the earth. Zion's gates of holy birth. Forever shining, never dim. Zion's gates, eternal hymn. It welcome child, it welcome all. Zion's gates, more bright than gold. Eternal open, strong and tall. Zion's gates, for one and all. When the trumpet sound again, Zion's gates still remain. It open wide, it never cease. Zion's gate, eternal peace. Forever shining, pure and true. Zion's gate, for me and you. Holy entrance, flame of light. Zion's gate, forever bright. Step in, step through. Zion's gate, forever new. No bar, no lock can stop the way. Zion's gate, forever stay. Zion's gate, open wide. Jah forever be me guide. Through the doorway, light shall flow. Zion's gate, we all shall go. From age to age, from night to day. Zion's gate, the righteous way. Ay, 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 From hills of Zion, me hear a call. Bless the all. Drum beat echo through night. Guide the light, me heart move to the tone. Me never alone, me never alone. Me chanting a sacred style. Feel a while, Jah message through me flow. Let them know each word a holy seed. Fi heal the need. Zion echo pure and high. Reach the sky. Them try mute the sound. Still it rebound. Me see the people wake. Chains break. Rasta heart no fade. Freedom made. Echo run deep and strong. Jah song. Echoes of Zion call the name. Burn like flame. Echoes of Zion, pure and wise. Rise, rise. Me hear the trumpet blow from east. Soul feast, me sing till me voice run dry. Still me try. Every chant me send, have no end. Zion echo call again. Heal the pain. Me walk through the valley low. Still me glow. Every rock me trod on firm. Me confirm. Zion spirit live inside. Me guide. Echo reach from heart to ear. No fear. Me Me no silent, me no still Jah will. When darkness tries suffocate, me elevate. Zion sound eternal flame. Call Jah name, call Jah name, call Jah name. Echoes of Zion call the name, burn like flame. Echoes of Zion, pure and wise. Rise, rise. Echoes of Zion, never end. Guide we friend, voice of Jah, forever ring. Hear it sing. So when the world feel cold and torn, new hope born. Echoes of Zion, call again, free the chain.
No, Zion reggae, yeah, man.
Flowing pure from Zion Hill, river run by Jah will. Cool the land, refresh the heart, wash away the wicked part. Every wave a blessing send, every stream a truth to men. River of Jah never dry, carry peace as it pass by. River of Jah love, deep and wide, wash the soul from pain inside. Flow through valley, climb the plain, bring the joy through sun and rain. It touch the root, it feed the tree, it set the hungry spirit free. It call the thirsty, come and take, drink the water Jah create. From holy spring to ocean deep, river run while prophets sleep. No stone, no dam can hold the flow. River of Jah forever go. It heal the wounds of war and hate. It open up the Zion gate. It carries song from shore to shore, sing of love forevermore. It wash the chain from hand and mind, leave the truth and peace behind. Every ripple tell the tale of how Jah love will never fail. Me walk along the riverside, hear the water prophesy. It say hold firm, don't lose the fight, keep the faith in Jah's true light. It teach the youth to share and care, to guard the earth and keep it fair. River run with righteous plan, flow for every woman, man. When the moon reflects so bright, river glow in Jah light. From dawn again till evening fade, river sing what Jah has made. It never cease, it never bend. River run from start to end, carry blessing from above. River of eternal love, flow high, flow far, carry Jah truth to who we are. From spring to sea, from rain to tide, river of love will ever guide. No wall, no fear can make it stop. River of Jah overflow drop. River of Jah love, deep and wide, wash the soul from pain inside. Flow through valley, climb the plain, bring the joy through sun and rain. From mountain crown to
son of Zion, Raga King, yeah, man. Endless tide upon the shore, ocean whisper ancient lore. Every wave a sacred song, ocean chant the whole day long. Babylon ships may rise and fall, ocean still embrace them all. Deep and boundless, bold and free, ocean teach eternity. Fisherman cast net so wide, ocean bless the daily tide. Every creature great and small, ocean care for one and all. Stormy rage and thunder roar, ocean calm the soul once more. Every drop a holy sign, ocean carry love divine. Elders sit beside the sea, ocean sing of prophecy. From creation first of days, ocean flow in righteous ways. Even stranger lost and weak, ocean guide the truth them seek. Every current strong and clear, ocean wash away the fear. Child of Zion build a boat, ocean help it stay afloat. Every journey, every mile, ocean blessed with holy style. No corruption bend the tide, ocean hold the truth inside. Every ripple pure and true, ocean sing for me and you. In sandy line, ocean make the words divine. Every verse a melody, ocean eternity. Morning light reflects so bright, ocean blaze with Jah light. Everlasting, bold and free, ocean hold the mystery. Babylon walls may try divide, ocean still forever wide. Generation rise and pray, ocean guide them every day. No more hunger, no more war, ocean bless the world once more. Sacred water strong and deep, ocean never fall asleep. From the mountain to the coast, ocean guard the Holy Ghost. Never ending, never small, ocean rise above it all. Everlasting, pure and true, ocean flow for me and you. Boundless mercy shining bright, ocean glow in Zion light. Flow, flow, deep and strong, ocean sing the righteous song. Rise, rise, mighty flame, ocean glorify your name. Ocean of wisdom, vast and free, carry the people to destiny. Never ending, never fall, ocean open for one and all. Forever shining, bold and pure, ocean truth will still endure. Sacred water, strong and wide, ocean wash the foolish pride. man chant upon the sea. Ocean of Zion set him free. Children swim and dolphins play. Ocean guide the righteous way. Not of greed, not of war. Ocean carry love ashore. Every tide a holy song. Ocean flow forever long. Storm may rise and ships may fall. Ocean still embrace us all. No iron chain can bind the wave. Ocean strong, the people say. Rivers run from mountain high. Ocean meet the open sky. Endless circle, truth remain. Ocean wash away the pain. Travel far from shore to shore. Ocean show Jah evermore. Ancient mariner, lift the hand. Ocean guide him to the land. Babylon fleet may boast and roar, but ocean crush them to the floor. Jah creation pure and white. Ocean of Zion rising tide. Songs of waves beneath the deep. Ocean sing while people sleep. Every creature great and small. Ocean cradle carry all. No beginning, no end to see. Ocean chant eternity. Everlasting, never gone. Ocean sing the holy song. Flow, flow, mighty tide. Carry people far and wide. Wash the sorrow, cleanse the land. Ocean moved by Jah hand. Ocean of Zion wide and strong. Carry the people all along. From the river to the sea. Ocean chant eternity. Forever flowing, pure and free. Ocean guide humanity.
Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Kaya smoke with Zion Raga, yeah, man. In the garden tall and wide, sacred tree of Zion high, roots so deep in holy ground, branches spread for miles around. Every leaf a story tell. Sacred tree, remember well. Babylon fire can't consume. Sacred tree forever bloom. Children play beneath the shade. Sacred tree where peace is made. Elders sit and chant a song. Sacred tree keep people strong. Not in palace, not in throne. Sacred tree forever known. Every fruit a gift from Jah. Sacred tree uphold the law. Sacred tree, a righteous aim. River flow beside the root. Sacred tree bear holy fruit. Generations come and go. Sacred tree still grow and grow. Never bending, never gone. Sacred tree keep carrying on. Still the tree of Zion cling, not of timber, not of gold. Sacred tree the prophet stole. Every shade a place of rest. Sacred tree protect the blessed. Babylon plan can't destroy. Sacred tree bring Jah joy. Children climb and mothers pray. Sacred tree show righteous way. Fathers chant and nations bow. Sacred tree forever now. From creation till today. Sacred tree guide every way. Everlasting, strong and free. Zion root in sacred tree. Holy truth, rise, rise, branches high. Sacred tree, reach the sky. Sacred tree of Zion land, planted by the holy hand. Fruit of life, shade of peace. Sacred tree where war shall cease. Forever standing, strong and free. Zion root in sacred tree. Give Rasta the sweat, man. In a Zion grow the tree, roots of love eternally. It stretched to heaven, touch the sky. Zion tree will never die. Branches strong, branches wide. Zion tree forever guide. Eternal growing, pure and free. Zion tree protect me. Zion tree, roots so deep. Shade the humble, shade the sheep. Fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree brings sweet release. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion tree all people seek. Forever holy, never fall. Zion tree fi one and all. It stand through storm, it stand through flame. Zion tree exalt Jah name. Eternal branches strong and tall. Zion tree protect we all. Me sit beneath the holy shade. Zion tree Jah hand has made. It give me comfort, give me rest. Zion tree Jah truly blessed. Forever growing, never cease. Zion tree bring Jah peace. From mountain high to valley low. Zion tree forever grow. No Babylon can cut it down. Zion tree wear holy crown. It grow eternal, never dry. Zion tree reach to the sky, forever fruitful, strong and free. Zion tree eternity, holy shelter, pure and true. Zion tree for me and you. When the trumpet sound again, Zion tree still remain, forever standing, never gone. Zion tree forever strong. It called the nations, called them near. Zion tree forever here, holy, growing, pure and free. Zion tree eternity, grow strong, grow wide. Zion tree forever guide, no chain, no ox can cut away. Zion tree forever stay. Zion tree, roots so deep, shed the humble, shed the sheep, fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree brings sweet release, from age to age, from day to night. Zion tree forever light.
Zion medicine, reggae, yeah, man. Oh yeah. After this storm, the sky reveal, rainbow covenant, Jah seal, 7 colors, holy sign, promised until end of time. Babylon crumble, wall follow, rainbow shine for all to know. Every tear Jah wipe away, rainbow bring the brighter day. Children point and start to sing, rainbow show the hope Jah bring. Elder smile and youth man cheer, rainbow say Jah always near. Not in silver, not in gold, but the rainbow truth unfold. Every heart a witness stand, rainbow cover every land.
Jah bless the people, yeah man. Yeah. Me rise before the sun, silence in the air. Wrap me dread, wash me face, chant a little prayer. Ganja leaf in a hand, heart in a calm. Me step in a nature, far from harm. Birds a sing, breeze a blow. Me sit on a rock where cool rivers flow. Me born one, give thanks to Jah. For life, for breath, for every star. Secret fire, blaze it high. Chant down illusion, reach the sky. Sacred fire, burn them light. Truth arise and Babylon cry. Sacred fire, cleanse the soul. In a Zion flame we feel old. Me listen deep to me heartbeat drum. Ancient call from where me roots come from. Me not chase gold, me not chase fame. Me chase wisdom, real Rasta aim. Meditation, deep like sea. Mystic rhythm running through me tree. Smoke curl like spiral sign. Me vision bright, me soul aligned. Oh Jah, guide me step from concrete stress to mountain depth. Me inhale breath, exhale fear. Me feel your presence, Jah Jah name. Fire, blaze it high. Rasta light never die. Sacred fire, still my mind. Inner peace is what I find. Sacred fire, show the way. One love, one heart every day. She sit beside eyes so close. Hands on heart, her spirit glows. Together we chant, together we feel that real love, that Rasta seal. Children gather, elders we beat the drum till Babylon done. Sacred flame in every song. We burn illusion, we stay strong. This fire no burn skin, it burns sin, ego and lie within. It show you who you are, from earth to star, from near to far. Sacred fire, carry we home. In a Zion, we freely roam. Smoke rise, mind clear. One love, one life, Jah always near.
Rasta man is higher man. Oh. Through the valley soft and clear, voice of wind we always hear. Every whisper bold and true, voice of wisdom shining through. Babylon wall may block the ground, voice of wind still spread the sound. Every breeze a melody, voice of mercy set us free. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. mercy, voice of truth, eternity. Elders sit upon the stone, voice of wind still make it known. Every story carried far, voice of mercy heal the scar. Children dance within the field, voice of hope the earth revealed. Every whisper bold and right, voice of Zion shine the light. Poet hear the sacred tone, voice of wind is not his own. Every line and every rhyme, voice of wisdom cross the time. Babylon fortress cannot stay, voice of truth will sweep away. Every echo strong and free, voice of mercy victory. Morning rise, the breeze so sweet, voice of wind at Zion feet. Every nation hear the call, voice of peace embrace us all. Even mountain bow to sound, voice of love shake the ground. Everlasting, pure and new, voice of justice shining through. Generation sing along, voice of wind compose the song. Every culture, every land, voice of mercy hand in hand. No corruption, twist the tone, voice of truth forever shown. Every whisper, bold and true, voice of Zion shine for you. Never ending, never small, voice of wind embrace us all. Sacred current, strong and free, voice of love eternity. Glorious anthem, pure and high, voice of mercy fill the sky. Everlasting, bold and new, voice of Zion carry through. Blue, blue, strong and wide, voice of wind remove the pride. Sing, sing, melody, voice of love eternity. Voice of wind, bold and true, carry your message for me and you. Never fading, never fall, voice of mercy guide us all. Forever blowing, strong and free, voice of truth eternity. Sacred anthem, pure and new, voice of Zion shining true. No, 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 gonna na da, no, 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 gonna na da, no, 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 ganja is the natural medicine, yeah, man. From the hilltop me chant, me no want, me no flaunt, me sing for the people, oh. Let the whole world know, freedom echo wide, Jah by me side. My voice rise from the dust full of trust. Me no bow to oppression and me stand. Me sing for justice true, me sing for you, every word me chant. Break ignorance plan. Me feel the chain still tight, but me bring light. My rhythm break the wall, free them all. Babylon no like me song, but me strong. Voice of freedom loud, lift the crowd. Voice of freedom cry, lift it to the sky. Every soul deserves to live, so me give. Voice of freedom strong, sing all night long, till the pain fade away.
Me sing for the lost and weak. Truth me speak. Every note me send about, filled with love. Rasta guide my way, night and day. Me no silence me sound till peace found. Me chant from street to stage, across every age. Me carry the flame so bright through the night. Voice of freedom rise again. Heal the pain, me sing for the voiceless still. Jah will, me call the youth for unite. Hold the light, voice of freedom cry. Lift it to the sky. Every soul deserves to live, so me give. Voice of freedom strong. Sing all night long till the pain fade away. New day. So when we're gone from earth, remember the word. Voice of freedom remain.